Oh, there's the fan he talk about. You see that fan? It's loud.
Which one?
This one here, you was telling me.
That one's loud?
Yeah, you see that one loud, but that's alright.
He said, oh, that's the loud one?
Yeah, you see that's the loud one.
Yeah. I was asking him because I want to change one in my house. Make it a soft, easy running one. You would not even know it running.
Eh?
I said, the soft one you would not even get running.
Well, the loud one is because the RPM's kind of high on these.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's so loud. If you watch the spec on it, the RPM higher.
Uh-huh.
And there's another one here too.
You know what I over myself? Actually, Saturday I over myself.
Yes.
Before I over myself, I said, no, but it's not haunted.
But it look good though. The angles look good.
The angles?
Yeah, Graham was telling me the angle. They put it too close to the wall.
Which one?
The fans.
Oh, the fan.
Yeah, but you put it there good. It
No,
look
he
good.
put it.
Oh, Graham do it.
Yeah, and I just insulated.
It look good.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all.
It's not a sharp. He thought it would have been a sharp.
A sharp turn.
A sharp 90. Yeah.
I just put the connector.
Okay.
I connect the all the ducting.
You will. I see you doing that and you're hanging.
Yeah.
Well, I like AC in my garage, you know.
Hey,
But after
you better tell him now.
it
Better you run the duct now.
no any plans though.
You know what? Get one of those
I go add it after
no,
you
you
get
don't want to,
inspected.
you could put one of those you know those Mitsubishi one on the outside.
Oh, the
you know
split.
split. Yes.
Splits.
Put that split. And listen.
Why, boy?
Roger have a good one, a used one.
Uh-huh.
But it's a good one. He might sell it to you real cheap, dirt cheap. Talk to him.
Nah, I gonna put a used split in my damn new house.
Yeah, and that's the right thing. That's all you need for the garage alone.
Yeah, because I go have my classics inside of here, my Porsches and them. Once I pull them out of the container and yeah, I need this AC. I go ask Graham to run an extension from this. It look nice though. It look nice. Somebody shut up my damn glass.
I'm gonna get this now and then you can fill that tomorrow. I'll get it tomorrow. The rest is on you tomorrow. Don't eat no pussy tonight. Just stay up. Make sure you wake up.
This is Ice-T and Stone Cold Steve Austin, and
We're on a mission to get America to switch to cold water washing with Tide.
it saves you energy.
And that saves you up to $150 a year on your energy bill.
Plus, Tide cleans
I mean, pretty big.
Bedroom inside a bedroom. Pantry. Pantry. Gym. This is gym. This is my safe room. Gun room. In here going in steel. Everybody's doing the AC. Commercial thing, but you know, it's flimsy duck, you know. Alright, check it.
Like touch base with him, like.
Let me mark out something there for you.
Yeah, because this is my phone. This is my phone. Every hour.